Hi guys, and welcome to my house. How weird is this? Anyway, first and foremost, I hope that all of you are happy. I hope you are safe. I hope you are staying home. And I miss you. I really, really miss you. So what's this going to look like moving forward? Well, we had just started the Altered States of Consciousness unit. We're going to continue with that. We are not going to have any tests moving forward unless we get back to school. We will, however, have grades. They will be responses to videos, open-ended questions, things of that nature. Anything that I can post on Google Classroom. If you owe me a test, you need to check your district email. I will be emailing you. You are not going to receive the same test that everyone previously took. There's no way I can do that and keep it fair and equitable for everyone. You will, however, have a few open-ended questions that you can respond to. You also will have directions in there as to how to let me know when you're ready. Those need to be done for me by April 6th. If they're not done by April 6th, it will turn into a 0 and remain that way. If you owe me any other assignments, projects, etc., you have until April 8th to get those to me. So the remaining units that we have left are Altered States of Consciousness, Sensation and Perception, Personality and Testing, and finally Psychological Disorders. And we should be able to still get through all of those. It's just going to look a little different. So I'll do voiced over screencasts. I will post videos. We will have assignments on Google Classroom. You will meet every other day. Nothing will take you longer than 20 to 30 minutes total. That includes like watching the screencast, watching the video, answering the questions, etc. Final thing for today, I'm a firm believer that out of everything negative comes something positive. And this has by far been the most extraordinary and trying time in my life. And I've lived a lot more years than you, so I'm assuming it's the most extraordinary and trying time in your life as well. And while we have a tendency to focus on all the things that we can't do and the things that we miss and whatnot, I believe that there are some significant positives that have come out of this as well. I always knew I loved my job. I've told you that a million times. I really love my job. I miss it terribly, but it's given me an appreciation for what I do. It's given me a tremendous appreciation for my family. I've been able to be here for things that I would not have been here for otherwise. I got to see my boys learn how to ride a tricycle. I've gotten to spend time with Kira and really help her learn how to read and learn how to add and subtract, which are things that I would have learned about in passing, but I wouldn't really have gotten to spend that time with her. So those are some of the things that I feel are really positive. On a funny note, I've also met some of my neighbors that, from a distance, that I would not have met normally, who may or may not have asked me if I have 9 kids and told me that they refer to me as the lady who screams a lot in their household, which is a sadly accurate description, and so I can't really be upset about that. Anyway, I hope that you are well. I miss you. I love you. We are going to start a discussion board so that we can get used to that. So your assignment for the discussion board today is, what's the positive thing that's happened for you out of this crazy situation? I will see you back here on Thursday.